Good morning, guys. You saw me doing a little bit of cleaning this morning. So on today's agenda is to edit tomorrow's video at least. I also have to film because the end of my work week is really busy. What else did I want to do? Oh, I want to cut my bangs. Yeah, just Christmas shopping. I might go out to Christmas shop, but probably not because there's still time to get things that you order online. I just started yesterday and I actually did quite a bit just shopping online. Just painted my nails. This is Olive and June ECC. It's the first time I'm trying their nail polish. Also did my toes. I try not to get my nails done very often. Sometimes I will, because when I get regular manicures, they honestly don't last. They last so much better when I do them myself at home. And then I don't like gels because every time they remove the gel, my nails get so messed up. I'm gonna show you guys what I use and like how I do my manicures at home. Okay, so I normally do both my pedicures and manicures at home. I'm more likely to go out and get a pedicure, especially if I like need it for a special event or if I'm in a rush or anything. So as far as like nail prep goes, something that I just got recently from Bath & Body Works is this 60-second manicure hand scrub. I pick my skin like crazy. I used to bite my nails. I don't do that anymore. I just like to, you know, exfoliate, and then this turns into almost like a soap, and then you just rinse it off. Then after that, I do like to soak my hands in water for like at least a minute just to soften up the cuticles. I then go in with this Sally Hansen, what is this called? Instant Cuticle Remover. I let this sit for like 15-30 seconds. And then I will just very, very gently push down my cuticles. If I have to, I will go in with these little guys. Then after that, I do go in with my base coat, my top coat, my nail polish. I actually just ran out of my top coat. Lately, I've been using the Out the Door. I also like Seche Feet. But the base coat that I have been using lately is the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails. I did a gel manicure the last time, actually the last 2 times, because it was like Thanksgiving and I was busy and my nails are a little bit not happy. So I've been using this. I don't know if it works really well, but I just picked it up. And then today I used the Olive and June ECC nail polish to paint my nails and toes. Again, this is a newer product for me, so I don't know how well that nail polish lasts, but generally I'm a big fan of Essie, OPI, Zoya. Then I'll go in with my top coat. And then I love drying drops. So these ones are from Sally Hansen, but I've also used the ones from OPI. Those ones are really good too. Drying drops are so good. They are key if you're doing your nails at home. So yeah, that's how I do my nails at home. Also for pedicures, I have this like a little inflatable foot bath. Let my feet soak when I do that. But also I like to use those foot masks every so often that like really peel your feet like crazy. They're so satisfying. Your feet are so disgusting. But oh my God, you have the softest feet ever when you are done healing. It's crazy. All right, so I'm gonna go edit and then I will catch up with you guys in a little while. Does anyone actually like that feature? I'm not really a fan. So anyway, I took a quick break to eat some oatmeal. I'm just eating the Better Oats Steel Cut Apple Cinnamon. I really like their oatmeal. There's like a cinnamon roll one that's super good. That's like my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna finish my breakfast and finish editing. Okay, I hope this lighting is good. Let's trim my bangs. They're pretty long. And normally, like if I were just to wear them when my hair was curly, I would leave them like this, obviously, because they would shrink up. But because I like to wear my bangs blown out and like my hair up, or I like to wear my hair wavy a lot more in the winter, so I'm just going to trim them so they're not in my face. But the first thing I'm going to do is actually wet them, and then I will blow dry them and then I'll cut them. So I want to make sure that I'm getting my hair wet all the way here so that when I do blow dry my bangs, they are sitting correctly and I know that I am cutting them correctly. This is not a tutorial, this is just how I do it. All right, so I have like the biggest chunk of bang. I have some of like the longer pieces out here that I'm just gonna tuck behind. Then I'm gonna go in and section off an even smaller amount in the center. So that's it, that's how I trim my bangs. I wanted to show you guys this really cute thing that I got in the mail. This is the Aquas and Poosh collaboration. This is a double layer turban. So first of all, how cute is the leopard? This is called their Poosh leopard turban. Sorry, the rapid dry hair turban. So the inside is a towel-like material. So this is supposed to help your dry. Nope. This is supposed to help your hair dry like 50% faster. And then the leopard side is actually the satin. So if you want to wear this when you sleep, you just flip it inside out and then it protects your hair. I wanted to share this with you guys because I thought this was super cute. And I do think that this is limited edition, so I'll leave a link where you can grab one if you are interested. The lighting in here is legit terrible. Better freaking be sunny tomorrow. I think that's like slightly better. But I am going to end the vlog here so I can start editing, and yeah, we'll keep this vlogmas train going. I don't even know if it's vlogmas. Let's call it like 12 days of Christmas. I like how we're already in it. We're in day, I think this is 5 that I'm filming for, and I'm still workshopping the name. I mean, maybe by next year I'll have one. It's not likely. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.